Hey guys, would you like to make money like this on a daily basis? Well, all you have to do is go to this app, and the name of the app is... This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you some new apps that pays real money for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now guys, I'm still running a free money giveaway contest. And all you have to do is follow those instructions. Click on the link in the description below to be eligible. And all you have to do is just type Grind Family in the comments. Be the first one to comment on every video. Type Grind Family and watch the video all the way to the very end. And look out for a number that's going to appear on the screen in this video. And you just type that down in the comments below and you will get a chance to win some free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. So let's get there, guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this app and show you how you can get this money. Okay, guys, I'm at the first app and I'm at their website and the name of it is Ernie. So you go to ernie.co. So this is a cashback app or a cashback site. And why I say this is an app, because you're going to be downloading this and putting it on your Chrome browser. So it's an app that you put on your Chrome browser. So when you online searching, looking for things to buy, you're going to get 20% cash back on everything you shop online with this extension on this browser, on your browser. Now, let's just scroll down here and just learn a little bit more. So, you're going to install the extension. Only takes a few seconds. Activate and earn. So, shop online as usual and activate cash back. Track Amazon lists. Link your Amazon account to track wish list items. So, guys, if you shop on Amazon, which almost 1 billion people probably do, all you got to do is link this to your Amazon account, and every time you're on Amazon looking to buy stuff, you're going to get 20% cash back when you find an item that you want to buy. It's that simple, guys. And so it also says here, know the right time to buy. So when you link your Amazon account to get 24/7 price tracking and price drop alerts. So guys, you're going to get price alerts. When the price go down, you're going to get alert for Amazon. And you'll be like, oh, that's what I want to get. And it's at this price. So you get that and boom, you're going to get paid 20% cash back. So money back on late delivery. So if they deliver your item late, you're going to get money back on that. Then you're going to earn cash back with your friends. So all you got to do is get your friends to download this extension onto their browser. And when they buy something, you're going to get paid too. You're going to get some cash back money too when they buy something. So they're going to get cash back and you're going to get cash back too. How does that sound, guys? So a lot of people enjoy this extension on their browser. And check this out. over 5,000 brands. Wow. So you got Walgreens, Groupon, Home Depot, Target, Hulu, Best Buy, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom's, New Balance, Shop Disney, Walmart, StubHub, and thousands of more, guys. This is a very, very good app that you guys want to get on your browser when you are shopping. Now, it also says down here, 1 million plus monthly savings found, 30 million plus tracked products, and 750K plus daily price changes. This is something else, guys. I've never talked about this app before. This is my first time talking about this app and about this site. This is a very, very good site that you guys want to get involved in, make some money while shopping. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So go ahead and download this app right now onto your browser. All you have to do is go to Ernie.co. Now let me go to the next site right about now. Okay, I'm at the next site, and the name of this site, it is an app though, guys, but the name of this site is Corporation Master. Now, it's an app because you're going to be playing a game. So what's so unique about this site is you're going to be playing a game and you're going to be the corporation. So let me explain to you how this works. So let's scroll down here. Okay, so win real money. So earn money in a game that simulates real economy. All currency may be converted into real money, guys. Here you can test your business and managerial skills. And then each day, the government repays the citizens who work each day with a salary and productivity points. And manage companies. So produce and trade goods, upgrade and manage your companies for real profit. Be an important investor and a renowned company manager. How that sound, guys? That's something else. This is a very, very unique website. So you're going to be playing a game and you're going to be investing money and everything, but you're going to end up getting real money. So let me show you the real money that you're going to be making. So let's scroll up here. And as you can see right here, here are the top income people right here. This person right here, $1,847. This person right here, $1,625. I think that's either pounds or euros, but you know, if you convert it into dollars, it's going to be a little bit less, but it's going to be about the same. Not that much lower. So look at these high numbers, guys. This is just all for playing a game on this website. And these are the recent payments right here. So this person just recently got 14. This person recently got $59.50. This person recently got $14. So look at this, guys. You can make some money on a daily basis just playing, having fun playing a game and simulating a corporation like you're running a corporation. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this. To learn more, because it's a lot of other things that's you have to learn about this, but it's real easy and simple. Just look up Corporation Master, but the actual link or the website is 24autopro.com. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to become financially free in 2021, guys. Last but not least, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you for your support. One more thing before I go. Help me get to 6,000 subscribers so I can give out this free money. Alright guys, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Look out for that number that popped up in this video. And peace. Have a blessed day.